Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. And oh my god, they rushed this yarn back to me. Yesterday I had some yarn delivered and I did a bit of an unboxing, and I said that there was some things missing from this order, and whoa, they just they just sent it, you know what I mean? It arrived this morning. I ordered it, well, I spoke to them yesterday afternoon. And here it is. So it just goes to show how quick they can get that out to people, doesn't it really? If they put their minds to it. So anyway, everything that I was missing has now arrived. And the first thing that I'll show you is I'm back in stock of Plum Ice, which is this gorgeous, absolutely beautiful swirly whirlies. Now the other swirlies, I've already taken them out to the yarn van and put them away. So this will be joining it soon, but I'll get this one out to show you if you've not seen this before. And then I'll just, I tie this one up so that they're all snug in there and they fit so nicely in the box out in the yarn van. You know, I've got those clear plastic boxes. If they're 4 wide, so I keep keep those 4 like that, and I've turned that one round like a Rubik's cube. There we go, like that. I'll keep those 4. I'm going to put that down there, and then we'll look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? So no yarn booby with this one because I've only got one. Well, there's still more to come. So Plum Ice is absolutely gorgeous. It's lots and lots of like turquoise, purple, lilac and white, and a blue. That's just gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. I love this one. I love them all. All of the swirlies are good, but so this one is SRL2 or Plum Ice, and there's 550 meters, 599 yards. It's 100% acrylic and a 30-degree wash, cool iron and cool tumble dry. And it is a 200 grammer, 200 grams, and it is absolutely silky soft and lovely. And I think one of the nicest cakes of yarn that is around, really. I've made a shawl with it, which was in here, but I took it out. Far too hot to have a shawl around you. Crazy hot day today. Air conditioning is working overtime. And so have I been. I've been uploading all of these products to my shop. And yesterday I had, well, the world had an outage. It didn't get any news because, you know, there was so much in the world that's happening. There was a plane crash and Israel, you know, attacked Iran. So the actual world outage got no reporting at all, but it was massive, and it was to do with all Google stuff, and Spotify was off. There was massive companies that were offline, and when you went on to them you just got a blue screen that had a message saying that if you're the owner, click here. Well, when I saw that, I thought that's a scam, not clicking that. So I got in touch with Chris, my other person who works on the site with me. He's the kind of tech guru, and he got to the bottom of it. But you know, I wasn't too worried because my nephew's site was off as well, and I thought, well, it's not a hacker then, unless they've hacked everybody. So yeah, I couldn't do it yesterday, so I've been busy today beavering away uploading all of these products. It was a bit scary, I have to tell you, but here we go. All the others were there earlier, weren't they? Well, people mentioned them this morning. So that is the only familiar yarn that I have. And I have got this absolutely amazing cotton yarn. I can't believe it, really. I tried to order this before, but they were out of stock. And so it just, when my order arrived, it was missing. And they said, oh, sorry, we're out of stock. And I remember them remarking, how can, not to them, but to you guys, when I say my yarn's out of stock, you cannot order it. It doesn't allow you to order it, or it doesn't allow you to pick it. Why can't theirs do the same? You know, uh-oh, that's not good. The yarn has made my computer dim. Let's put that down there for a second. We're going to do now. Stop it from doing it again. So they are 100-gram little cakes, and they are beautiful. Look at those. They are cotton. They are so soft. Great for wearables. Absolutely. Let's get the glasses. Oh my God, that's just made it worse. Oh well, who needs a computer anyway? This is called James C. Brett Cotton Waves, and it is 100% cotton, and it's a DK. 210 meters, 228 yards, and cool wash of 30, cool iron, cool tumble dry. Isn't it funny how some say you can and some say nada, you can't? I've got a piece of paper here somewhere. Here it is. Because they have names, but on the yarn band it just says WV01. WV01. WV01 is called Spring Smile. Spring Smile. And the yarn bands are delightfully simple, but the yarn itself, squishy, soft and beautiful. Look at all those colours. I really, really like that. So we've got pinky red, yellow, magenta, orange, lilac, blue like denim. It's so good. It's really nice. This is more bluey than you're seeing. Oh, it might come out different. It might just be my viewfinder, but I don't know. This one is my favourite at the moment. I do yarn babies, guys. You thought I'd forgotten, but there they are. So where can I put you? On here? No, it's not going to stay, is it? I don't. There we go. Put it at the back. So that brings me to this one. That was 01, and this one is 02. Got to get in. And again, oh wow. You know, I said that one was my favourite. It's funny, whenever I get a yarn in my hand, oh, this one's my favourite. And then, let's put that down there. I thought my piece of paper with the names on had done a run of them, but it didn't. This is called WV03 Pretty Purple. Now, I didn't get all of the colours, but I got the best of the colours, I believe. I wanted to try it, you know. I was desperate to get my hands on it before and try it. But now I've finally got some for my shop, which if you've not found it yet, it's hobbyrocks.co.uk. There's a link in the description box, and there's also a voucher code for things that are not sale. Now, I've put this on special offer, actually. It's a brand new one, and I wanted to undercut everybody. So I have WV03 Pretty Purple. Pretty Purple. Pretty Purple yarn boobies. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? I love that one. Then there's this one. I don't know what I did with my pattern. I did order some patterns, and I didn't realise I'd already got those patterns before, so I've just got more of them. It's only like a baby cardigan, blanket and bonnet, but I always try, if I can, to get some crochet patterns for my shop, because it's so hard sometimes to find them. You know, so many just do knitting patterns all over the place. So I'll put that down there. WV04 Fruit Jelly. This one, oops, I've wobbled you. Fruit jelly. Now, I don't know about you, but I suppose there's lime jelly, there's raspberry jelly, there's blackcurrant jelly, no, not so much white. Blueberry jelly, would you call that? I don't know. It's a strange name, isn't it? But it's beautiful. It's really, really nice. I like this one as well. So I kind of decided to get all the ones that really caught my attention. And these two, as well as, so I'll give you one of those to look at. One of these. I'm not doing it very well. Got really small hands. Like a borrower. Okay. Right, here we go. I'm going to try my best to do this. Ready? There they are. Those are my choices for the sample, kind of see how it goes. Well, actually, they are gorgeous. I can't imagine them not selling because they are lovely. I haven't actually kept any back for me, but I really feel that I will definitely be working with it. So isn't it gorgeous? Still my favourite, this one. Still my favourite. I do like that one, but they're so pretty. All of them are really gorgeous. That one's lovely. It really is. And then again, so is this. Oh, squishies. They're gorgeous squishes. I really, really, really am enraptured by those. And the actual yardage as well. Meterage, whatever you want to call it. Isn't bad, is it? I've forgotten what I said. And I took my glasses off. I'll put them back on again now. Silly me. Okay, what was it? Oh, upside down. Of course it is. It wouldn't be me, would it? 2 10 meters, 2 to 8 yards. And it isn't a blend. It's completely 100% cotton, and it's DK. And same 4mm needles and hook, I guess. You can dry clean it as well. I just forgot to say that. So there we are. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And stunning. Wow. I love them all. So yeah, that's it. That was my bit of the yarn haul that was missing yesterday. So when it arrived, I did toy with the idea of quickly getting on and deleting that one and doing it all over again, but then I'd pack the yarn away, so it would have been harder. Oh, I can hear Gary just pulling up in the driveway. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. These are all uploaded onto my website. They are, the pattern is, and the all of the swirly whirlies from yesterday and today. They're all on there now. And well, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can set that to all because YouTube don't notify all, so you won't get inundated, so don't worry about that. And I just want to let you know, I'm not sure if you know this, but YouTube now allows you to upload pictures on people's community walls. I think it's just called viewer posts, and you can do it in the app. So if you don't know about that, I just thought I'd let you know. Okay, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.